Welcome to another episode of Trade by Numbers. If you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you want to learn how to be able to get out of the rat race, become financially free, there's only one way to do that, and that's through investing. And that's what we teach here on this channel. So if you want to learn about stocks, crypto, and just investing in general in an easy format where you can just follow along, just plug and play, so to speak, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. Do me a favor, hit the like button. It helps me get these videos out to more people, and that's what this is all about, being able to help as many people as possible. So let's get into it. Another day where the market just absolutely refuses to give anything back to us. You know, we got the S&P ended up closing just barely in the red, but still down 0.17%. We got the Dow absolutely flat, and we got the NASDAQ down 0.51%. I'm sorry, just over 0.5%. So 3 days in a row where the market has just been going down all week. It's not crashing, at least not today. You know, yesterday, day before, pretty big days. Today, fairly flat, but just could not get in the green. I was kind of expecting to get there today. Just wouldn't give it to us. It's just being stubborn. But much better than where we have been. And we made some good money today. There were some plays moved. We made some money. Let's talk about that. So, I called out IMPP yesterday. We picked that up at 32.5 cents. I said this morning I was still holding it, that I had a sell order out if we hit 34.5 cents. We hit that today, made us a solid 6.1% gain on that trade. Very happy with that. Coinbase. Now we picked some Coinbase up yesterday at 42. I like that price, but crypto was down all day today. It was not greening up. So I decided that if it hit $43, I'd go ahead, sell out of that position. Wouldn't make me much, but it'd get me out. That way if it crashed, I could pick up some more. That's exactly what ended up happening. It run up. We hit $43. That made 2.4% gain on that trade and got me out of it. I actually just picked up some here in the pre-market, just right before I was shooting the video. Can't even find my stock here. But ended up getting it at $41.27. So I picked up a position there, a little bit lower than where we were at, and hopefully with crypto down as much as it was, I waited till the after hours to buy it because I wanted to see if it crashed down. And considering the fact that it held kind of this line, dropped to about 41.25, dropped a little bit lower right at open, then we got that run up, dropped here. I figured this was a good solid spot. With crypto down as much as it was today, we get a little pop out of that tomorrow. This will very easily run back up to $43, $44. So I went ahead and picked up a position there. Now for the last couple of days, we've been watching WISA. We got it to drop down today. I picked up a position at $10, or $10.9 cents on that trade, which is a little bit higher than where I've been wanting to buy. I've been looking to get it at about 10.7, just wasn't giving it to me. I was like, you know what, it's under 11. I'm going to pick up a position. So I picked up one at 10.9. We'll see if that holds. We could get it to come down a little bit in the morning. However, we had a indecision candle on that stock today. So I would either expect it to run up in the pre-market tomorrow or to flash down. Now either way is alright as long as it stays above that 10-cent level. Now if it drops under 10 cents, then I'm out and I'll wait and see where the floor is, and then maybe I'll look at playing it, or maybe we'll just move on to another stock. But that one's been good to us. We've made several trades on it and made a great ROI. So I want to keep my eye on it as long as it's working for us, as long as it's holding above that 10 cents. Now if it flashes down in the morning and I can pick up another position down maybe under 10.5 cents, then I'll do that. But if I see it break under 10, then I'll take my losses and I'm out. We'll see where it goes from there. But at this point, I think there's a really good chance we get that pop, which is why I was willing to go ahead and buy it here. We could get that pop in the morning and see that break up above 12 cents pretty easily, make us a really nice ROI. So I'm excited to see what that brings in the morning. That's pretty much all the moves we were making. You know, I did some other trades with the Discord today. I think everybody was making some money. Some pretty wild plays out there on that. But that's pretty much what I called. You know, everything worked out the way we wanted to, except for the fact that the market just didn't really rally. Oh, I'm sorry. TQQQ. Forgot all about that. Picked up 2 positions on that yesterday. And as you know, we were down on it. Picked up a position. It dropped. Picked up another position. It dropped even more. It was down this morning. It looked like it finally bottomed around the $20.18 range, I think. So it ran up. I put in a buy order at $20.30. If it dropped back down to that, it did. So I picked up a position at $20.30. And I was like, you know what? It's not going anywhere. The market's not moving up. So I put myself a sell order out if it hit $20.80, which would make me 50 cents a share. Sure enough, it did. It ran up, it hit that, and I made 2.4% on the TQQ on this one position. I'm still holding my 2 positions from yesterday, but at least we made a little bit on it today. Maybe tomorrow we'll get that pop out of the market, and the 2 positions that we're holding, you know, we'll climb back up there over 21, and we'll make ourselves some money. If we start getting up near that $22 level, we'll make a really nice ROI on the TQQQ. If I haven't said it in a while and you're new to the TQQQ, that kind of indexes the NASDAQ. So if the NASDAQ has a good day, the TQQQ will have a good day. And the inverse to that is the SQQQ. If the NASDAQ goes down, then the SQQQ will have a good day. So I think that's got everything covered. That's what we moved around today. Like I said, overall, we made a great profit today. Join me in the morning. We'll go over our plays. We'll get everything set up. We'll see if this WISA explodes on, we make some money in the pre-market. We'll get everything set up to make some money throughout the day tomorrow. Keep following along. Let me know what your best stock was. And until next time, be blessed. And remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers. I'll catch you later.